Hello guys, for today's assignment we're going to be working on Mondays, the second week. Read Seahorses and write down the main idea. So here's a story. It should look like this. And let's start reading. Seahorses. Have you ever seen a seahorse? If so, you have probably been amazed. A seahorse is a really cool fish. It has a head like a horse, a fin like a fish, and a tail like a monkey. Sadly, seahorses are beginning to disappear. Millions are caught and used to make medicine. They are also sold as pets or souvenirs. And they are dying because their homes are disappearing. Over 24 million seahorses are caught each year in order to make a Chinese medicine. This medicine is very popular. People believe it can cure a number of health problems. Another several million are sold for home aquariums. It is difficult to keep these seahorses alive in a tank. Most of them die within a year. Seahorses are also popular as souvenirs. People buy dried seahorses as decorations. Seahorses are also dying because their homes are disappearing. They live in seagrass beds in shallow waters. Many of these waters have become polluted. This pollution kills the seagrass beds. Seahorses are disappearing every day. It isn't easy to find a live one. If you are lucky enough to see one, take a long look. You may not have many chances to see this amazing fish. So now let's continue with the main idea question. And it says main idea. And these are your supporting details. Seahorses are used for medicine. Seahorses are losing their homes because of pollution. And seahorses are used as pets and decorations. Which of the following goes in the empty box? So we're looking for the main idea. Is it A, seahorses are becoming extinct? B, there are many magical fish in the ocean? Or C, the seagrass beds are dying? For this one, it is also optional if you want to do the response journal. I'm not going to grade it, so it is optional. Thank you.